Alright, prion diseases. Now, I know most of you must have a couple of questions. What are prion diseases? Why do I care? And I'll start with answering those first. Prion diseases are fatal, incurable neurodegenerative diseases caused by misfolded major prion proteins. Essentially, these misfolded proteins are variants that, unlike other infectious diseases caused by bacteria or viruses, they lack RNA and DNA. They can bond to normal proteins, and without going into too much detail, this spreads and causes cell and tissue death in the brain. So what does this have to do with you? Well, apart from the fact that you are clearly curious enough to watch this, many have heard of prion diseases that plenty don't realize are connected. Mad cow disease, or bovine spongiform encephalopathy, don't worry, that's the only time I'll be saying that, is found in cows and has been known on very rare occasions to spread to humans through consumption of infected meat. If you live in America, you're likely to have heard of zombie deer caused by chronic wasting disease, and scrapie is found in sheep and goats, although neither form has been known to spread to humans. Kuru was once a large matter amongst the Fore people of Papua New Guinea due to ritualistic cannibalism in their burial practices, although you should be safe from this type of prion disease so long as you don't plan on consuming any part of a human central nervous system. There is a chance for a parent to pass one down genetically. It is possible for it to spread through unclean blood, organ donation, or improperly sterilized medical equipment. Modern technology and regulation means that any case of infection through improper sterilization hasn't been seen since 1976, so rest assured. Surprisingly, the most common form of prion disease in humans is purely sporadic. Sporadic prion diseases form without any known cause and infect only 1 to 2 million people a year worldwide. Prion diseases in humans are interesting in the way that prions can be misfolding for months to years before symptoms begin to show, which makes life expectancy hard to anticipate. There is no cure for these diseases due to the elusivity of clues when it comes to how prion diseases develop in the first place, but luckily they are entirely uncommon and remain of little concern to the average citizen. So, as intimidating as they sound, farming regulations and an ever-growing understanding of genetics means that prion diseases are still unlikely to be the cause of a zombie apocalypse.